Good evening. A tragic accident underneath Auckland today. 3 men died after inhaling lethal fumes 5 metres underground. They were drainage contractors working at the bottom of a sewage inspection pipe, but they'd failed to take with them a vital piece of equipment.
Covering the gas trap. But it was too late. The 3 men were already dead.
We have 3 bodies at the moment, and we're unable to establish at the present time what exactly the scenario that has happened here.
2 of the men had collapsed at the bottom of the 5-metre manhole. The third came out and raised the alarm in a vain attempt to save his friends.
One of the deceased did call for help on the mobile number, and that was responded to by colleagues, but by the time the colleagues arrived, that person is now dead.
The colleague who arrived was also affected by the fumes. After calling the emergency services, he was taken to hospital. Firemen could see the 3 men at the bottom of the shaft and went in with breathing apparatus to retrieve them.
We sent 3 crew members down with breathing apparatus, and the rest of the guys on the top got a line around them one at a time, pulled them up and started CPR on them. But unfortunately it hasn't helped them.
Fellow workers were overcome by the tragedy and relations were called in to identify the dead men. The fire service tested the hole for sewer gases like carbon monoxide and found them.
In dangerous proportions. People survive these things at different rates, so it's hard to be absolutely definitive, but they're certainly there at dangerous levels.
Occupational Health and Safety says the men were not using required safety equipment like a gas detector, mandatory when going into sewer pipes. Despite frantic rescue attempts by firemen and workmates, 3 lives have been lost here today, a tragedy that without doubt will trigger a major accident inquiry. Bob McNeil, 3 News.
Outside the tape's going up here. Okay, we'll just go. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hang on. There is, but he's totally involved.
Travelling at high speed on the northwest end. I think proceeding up the Sonic motorway. Following me at high speed.